Here's how you can fix the Shopify error processing customer payments. First, open your Shopify admin and click Settings in the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, select Payments to view all of your available payment methods and providers. Check the payment method you're currently using and make sure it's properly connected and active. For example, if you're using PayPal, open the PayPal payment settings and confirm that the connection is active. If you're using a different payment provider, select the option to choose a provider and check that the correct payment method is connected to your Shopify store. Make sure there aren't any connection issues or missing setup requirements. You can also test your payment configuration before accepting real customer payments. Shopify provides testing options, including the bogus gateway, which allows you to place a test order and confirm that the checkout and payment process are working correctly. The main thing is to make sure your selected payment method is connected, active, and working correctly. Once the payment provider is properly configured, the customer payment error should be resolved. That's all for this video. Thanks.